Dinosaurs versus airplanes. Airplanes are some of the largest machines humans have ever built. But how do they compare to the giants of the prehistoric world? We do not know which one is louder, so we will compare sizes. A Cessna plane is 27 feet long, but a velociraptor is only about approximately 6 feet long. With its size of about a turkey, the velociraptor could hop on a Cessna plane. A T-Rex is much larger. A 40 feet long T-Rex is as long as a small private jet, such as a Cessna Citation. So, the mighty T-Rex was as long as a private jet, but thankfully, it couldn't fly. Spinosaurus is a massive predator larger than a T-Rex and also the private jets. However, a Boeing 737 is 100 feet long, making it twice the size of 50 feet long Spinosaurus. How about giant herbivores and airplanes? Brachiosaurus was an 85 feet long giant. It was huge compared to a human. But it was still smaller than a Boeing 737, which is 110 feet long. This airplane is 25 feet longer than a Brachiosaurus. Massive herbivore Argentinosaurus reaches up to 120 feet long, beating Boeing 737, only to be dwarfed by 250 feet long Boeing 747. The largest living mammal, blue whale, is 80 to 100 feet long for extra scale. The mighty Argentinosaurus was longer than a blue whale but still shorter than a jumbo jet. How about flying reptiles of the prehistoric era? Quetzalcoatlus had a massive 40 feet wingspan. But F-16 Falcon, which we hope only will be used for airshows, has only 32 feet wingspan. The largest flying reptile, Quetzalcoatlus, had a wingspan bigger than a fighter jet. Dinosaurs were colossal, very strong, and capable. But modern engineering has built machines that rival even the biggest prehistoric giants.